Welcome back to Orion Vitality Channel. Today we're diving into a crucial topic that could impact your health in a big way. We're talking about cancer prevention, specifically the foods we eat. You are what you eat, right? We hear it all the time, and when it comes to cancer risk, this age-old saying couldn't be more true. While there's no guaranteed way to prevent cancer entirely, making healthy choices at the dinner table can significantly reduce your risk. Stick around to find out which 12 foods you should avoid to reduce your cancer risk. We're going to break it all down, give you the facts, and empower you to take control of your health. Let's go! First up, let's talk about processed meats. We're talking bacon, sausage, hot dogs, deli meats, the usual suspects. They might be tasty, but they're loaded with things that don't love you back. We're talking about chemicals like nitrates and nitrites, which are added to preserve these meats and give them that appealing pink color. These chemicals, when cooked at high temperatures, can form compounds called nitrosamines. And guess what? Nitrosamines are classified as probable human carcinogens, meaning they have the potential to cause cancer. Multiple studies have linked processed meat consumption to an increased risk of colorectal cancer, one of the most common and deadly cancers worldwide. Processed meats are often high in salt and saturated fat, which can contribute to other health problems, further increasing your overall cancer risk. Think lean protein sources like chicken, turkey, or even plant-based alternatives. Your body will thank you in the long run. Choose wisely, my friends. Okay, before you meat lovers out there hit the unsubscribe button, hear me out. I'm not saying you have to banish all red meat from your plate forever, but it's crucial to understand the potential risks and how to enjoy it in moderation. Red meat, especially processed, has been linked to an increased risk of certain cancers, particularly colorectal cancer. Hema iron in red meat can promote carcinogenic compounds in the gut. Cooking meat at high temperatures can create harmful chemicals. Limit intake, choose lean cuts, and enjoy in moderation. Let's be honest, we all love a sugary drink every now and then, but these sweet temptations can be seriously detrimental. Sugary drinks are essentially liquid sugar bombs. They contribute to obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Water is always the best choice. Try unsweetened tea, infused water, or sparkling water. Healthier choices reduce cancer risk and improve well-being. Now, let's talk about alcohol. I know for many of you, a glass of wine with dinner or a beer with friends is a regular part of life. But it's essential to understand the link between alcohol consumption and cancer risk. The evidence is clear: excessive. Alcohol consumption is a major risk factor for several types of cancer, including mouth, throat, esophagus, liver, breast, and colorectal cancer. The more you drink, the higher your risk. How does alcohol increase cancer risk? Well, when you drink alcohol, your body breaks it down into a toxic substance called acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde can damage DNA, the genetic material within our cells, and interfere with the body's ability to repair this damage. Enjoy alcohol responsibly, and be mindful of your consumption to protect your health. Let's face it, fried foods are delicious. There's something incredibly satisfying about that crispy, crunchy texture and savory flavor. But unfortunately, those deep-fried delights can be as damaging to our health as they are tempting to our taste buds. Fried foods are typically high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sodium, all of which can contribute to weight gain, heart disease, and other chronic health problems. One major culprit is acrylamide, a chemical that forms in starchy foods during high-heat cooking, such as frying, baking, or roasting. Acrylamide has been classified as a probable human carcinogen by the International Agency for Research on Cancer, IRC. Instead of frying, try baking, grilling, roasting, or air-frying your favorite foods. These methods use less oil and lower cooking temperatures, reducing the formation of acrylamide and other harmful compounds. Microwave popcorn: it's quick, it's easy, and it's a movie night staple. But before you pop that next bag, listen up. Some microwave popcorn bags contain chemicals that have been linked to an increased risk of cancer. One such chemical is perfluorooctanoic acid, PFOA, which is used in the lining of some microwave popcorn bags to prevent grease from soaking through. PFOA is a likely human carcinogen, according to the IARC. Studies have linked PFOA exposure to an increased risk of kidney, testicular, prostate, and ovarian cancers. Look for microwave popcorn brands that are labeled PFOA-free and diacetyl-free. Better yet, consider air-popping your own popcorn. By making informed choices about the foods you eat, you can minimize your cancer risk and enjoy your favorite snacks without worry. Canned foods are a pantry staple for many of us. They're convenient, affordable, and have a long shelf life. But have you ever considered the potential health risks lurking inside those cans? One major concern with canned foods is the presence of bisphenol A, or BPA, a chemical used in the lining of many cans to prevent rust and spoilage. BPA is an endocrine disruptor. meaning it can interfere with the body's hormones. Exposure to BPA has been linked to a variety of health problems, including reproductive issues, heart disease, obesity, and yes, cancer. Choose fresh or frozen fruits and vegetables whenever possible. If you do buy canned goods, look for brands that use BPA-free linings. By being aware of the potential risks associated with canned foods and making informed choices, you can protect your health and reduce your cancer risk. We all have a sweet tooth to some degree, but when it comes to sugar, moderation is key. Consuming excessive amounts of sugar, especially refined sugar, can wreak havoc on our health, increasing our risk of obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and cancer. Refined sugar is essentially empty calories. It provides no nutritional value and spikes your blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance and increased fat storage. Obesity, as we discussed earlier, is a major risk factor for several types of cancer. Cancer cells thrive on sugar. They use it as fuel to grow and spread. Choose naturally sweet foods like fruits and vegetables over processed sweets and sugary drinks. You don't have to give up sugar entirely, but by being mindful of your intake, you can satisfy your sweet tooth without compromising your health. Artificial sweeteners are a popular sugar alternative for weight loss and diabetes management. However, their safety is debated, with some studies linking them to cancer. They may also disrupt the gut microbiome. If concerned, consider natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit. Fish is often touted as a health food, and for good reason. It's a great source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and other essential nutrients. However, not all fish is created equal. Farmed fish, in particular, has come under scrutiny in recent years due to concerns about its potential impact on human health, including its link to cancer. Farmed fish are often raised in crowded, unsanitary conditions, making them more susceptible to diseases and infections. To combat these issues, fish farmers often use antibiotics, pesticides, and other chemicals which can accumulate in the fish and eventually end up on our plates. Studies have shown that farmed fish can contain higher levels of contaminants like polychlorinated biphenyls, dioxins, and mercury compared to wild-caught fish. Opt for wild-caught fish whenever possible. If you do buy farmed fish, look for reputable brands that adhere to sustainable and environmentally friendly practices. Making informed choices about the fish you eat is crucial for protecting your health and the health of our oceans. Hydrogenated oils, a type of trans fat, are a nightmare for our health. They're created through a process called hydrogenation, where liquid vegetable oils are converted into solid fats by adding hydrogen atoms. This process makes the oils more stable and gives them a longer shelf life, which is why they're often used in processed foods, baked goods, and fried foods. Trans fats are known to raise LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and lower HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol, increasing the risk of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. But did you know that trans fats can also increase your risk of cancer? Studies have linked trans fat consumption to an increased risk of several types of cancer, including breast cancer, colorectal cancer, and prostate cancer. To protect your health and reduce your cancer risk, avoid hydrogenated oils and trans fats as much as possible. Choose healthy fats instead, such as olive oil, avocado oil, nuts and seeds. And we all know that fruits and vegetables are essential for a healthy diet. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and fiber, all of which play a crucial role in protecting our health and reducing our risk of chronic diseases, including cancer. However, not all fruits and vegetables are created equal. Conventionally grown produce is often treated with pesticides, herbicides, and other chemicals to protect crops from pests and diseases. Studies have linked pesticide exposure to an increased risk of several types of cancer, including leukemia, lymphoma, brain cancer, breast cancer, and prostate cancer. Choose organic fruits and vegetables whenever possible. If organic produce is not available or is outside your budget, be sure to wash all fruits and vegetables thoroughly under running water before eating them. This will help remove dirt, residue, and some surface pesticides. By choosing organic produce and minimizing our exposure to pesticides, we can reduce our cancer risk and protect our overall well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. We covered a lot of ground today, and I hope you found this information empowering. Remember, you have the power to make choices that support your health and reduce your risk of cancer. There you have it. 12 cancer-linked foods you should never put in your mouth again. Like and share this video to spread awareness. Subscribe for more life-changing health tips. Comment below which of these foods surprised you the most. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.